So you might be in a situation where for some reason Instagram following is just not working. Meaning maybe you're going through and you're trying to follow accounts within Instagram, but it's not allowing you to follow those accounts. Now, number one, typically why something like this may end up happening is because maybe you've tried following too many people at one time. If you just went through and tried following like a bunch of people in one particular moment, that might not end up working out for you that well. You're better off just following one account or a couple of accounts. And if you get into a situation where it's not allowing you to follow anymore, then just wait it out, wait a few moments, and then go back into it at a later point. So that's kind of the big thing. Now, your account may also have gotten some sort of like action block, meaning Instagram, because you've been following too many people, Instagram just basically deemed your account, it's kind of like a bot type of account. So in that case, you're basically just going to have to once again wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So you're going to have to wait it out until they unban your account or that they unaction account. So basically, you're going to have to wait anywhere from like 24 to 48 hours. Now, sometimes if none of those things apply to you, it might just be a random glitch in their system. So in this case, you might pretty much just have to just close out of Instagram, the application like this, give it a few seconds, and go ahead and open it back up, and then you can try going through and then, try following people again. Sometimes that might be all you're going to have to do there too. Sometimes you might have a poor internet connection, but if none of those things are working, you can try updating your Instagram application. So go inside of your app store right here, click on the search bar, type in Instagram just like this, and go ahead and update your Instagram application. And you want to see if this ends up fixing it for you, which for a lot of people, this might end up doing it. So in terms of that kind of covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.